this video we're gonna talk about how to pass parameters to a report viewer. And before we start, we need to add to our solution uh, this reference, Microsoft.reportviewer.web forms. And in your code page you have to import these namespaces. And to complete this task we need a dataset, report viewer, report.rdlc, and a drop down list and a button. Let's see the sample that I have here. First, when you load it, you're gonna have a drop down list. In this case we have CA and GA, that's two states, and a button. Let's try it. As you can see, we have our state, California. Now let's choose Georgia and pass state Georgia, actually GA. As you can see, we can pass values from the drop down list. Now this is how the code works. Before you start your project, make sure your table is ready. In this case we have just three columns: city, state, and zip. After you have the table done, you need to create a data set like this, and your SQL statement includes a parameter. In this case we're gonna pass state, and then we're gonna add another. You can add another table adapter and configure that one to get only distinct state. I'm gonna use this adapter to fill we're gonna use that one to fill the drop down list when a page loads. Okay, so one, that adapter is gonna be to populate the drop down, and the second one we're gonna pass the value from here, drop down list, and pass it on to the report viewer. After you have this done, then you can go and add your report, and then all you have to do is add a table, drag it, drop it, and then just drag city, state, and zip into the table. Then all you have to do is close it down, close this one down. I haven't made any changes. And then for the code, when you click on the button, let's go back to when the first page loads. You have to follow these steps. Okay, when a page loads, we populate the drop down list using this method. So let's go to the button event. On this button event, we make the report viewer visible to true. We create a data set, and we're using this technique, using the data set that we made, and populating, filling the data set, and getting the value from the drop down list, and creating a report data source, passing our data source ID and our data set. And then we just add it to the report viewer and refresh. And that's all you have to do to pass parameters. There's more code in this coming right now. This is another method just to fill a data set, but doing it this way is faster and less code to write. If you have any questions, you can visit vsexpress.info to watch other videos. Thank you for watching.